What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, for the ones who are visiting this channel for the first time and watching my video for the first time, this channel is all about the lesser known digital tools that will help you increase your digital productivity, and most of them are free. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon besides that, because I keep on making this kind of videos on a daily basis, and that will just help me to reach out to you guys whenever I upload a video. Well, coming to the topic for today, I have recently started this Quora series, like a playlist on my channel named as Quora Answers. I go ahead and answer the questions which have been asked to me by the users on my Quora account, or the followers, or the people who have joined my space. If you have not joined my space on Quora, the space name is Digital Productivity Web. The link is in the description below. You can go ahead and follow my space over there and ask as many questions as you can. Well, the question for today is basically, does anyone ever make decent money from selling photos on Shutterstock? Now, the answer to this one is quite tricky, because Shutterstock is not a photography website. It is not a normal photography website. It is a stock photography website. Now, generally, stock photos are different from the normal photography angle. But yes, people can, like a short answer to this is yes, people can make a good amount of money on Shutterstock. You just need to have that. It's basically something which you will learn as in how you grow on Shutterstock, and as in how you upload the images on Shutterstock. I have started selling my pictures on Shutterstock. It's been a year. Honestly, I don't upload that regularly on Shutterstock. I have some 500 images and I don't make that much of money. But it's a really great platform for the people who are photographers and who understand stock photography. I think it's a really great platform. That's a different case altogether, that Shutterstock recently has changed its payment terms towards the contributors, and the contributors are going to get less paid compared to what they were getting paid for. But yes, the short answer to this one is yes, users do get paid, and it is a good amount. You can make actually more than decent. You can make a pretty well income on Shutterstock or through stock photography websites. So that was my answer to this particular question. If you like this answer, please go ahead and upvote this particular answer. If you're watching this video on my Instagram account, make sure you DM me with your queries, and if you're watching this on my Quora account, make sure you upvote this answer and follow the space. So I'll be back with another question for you tomorrow, and that was it. Thank you for watching my video, and keep geeking, guys.